Night driving can be a struggle for anyone. Darkness limits our vision. Lanmodo Vast M1 Night Vision Dashcam offers ultimate night vision to make night driving as clear as day. With the 8-inch large screen presents bright images in high resolution. Lanmodo guarantees a crystal clear view in the dark. With the latest low-light imaging system and 7-layer glass lens, we have improved the night vision performance to a new level in total darkness, allowing you to get stable and clear images in various low-light conditions, whether in gloomy roads, dark tunnels, rainy days, or snowy nights. The separated front camera is adjustable to reduce the glare. The broader view angle and ultra-low view distance provide unparalleled depth of vision at night. The night vision rear camera allows easy driving and parking in the dark and in pouring rain. We offer 3 easy installation methods, which can be fitted in any car models. And the front camera can be adjusted to any angle as you need. We are Lanmodo, dedicated to night vision technology. Over the past years, we have delivered millions of miles of safer driving experience to drivers around the world. Now we are bringing the upgraded system, Lanmodo Vast M1, building on our 4 years of dedication to creating the best night vision dashcam. Our mission is to safeguard your life on the road, day and night. Drive with confidence. Drive with Lanmodo.